Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: your QuickBooks Online payroll subscription, EIN, and a linked bank account because payroll moves real money. Once you have employee SSNs, Form W-4 info, and pay rates, create each employee profile, include pay type and withholding. Next, choose your pay schedule and set the first pay period. Do this now so taxes and reports align. Make sure tax setup screens are completed. Otherwise, tax calculations and filings will be incorrect. Once employees are set, enter hours or salary amounts and add deductions like benefits or garnishments. Distinguish pre-tax versus post-tax so withholdings compute correctly. Then review the payroll preview. Check federal, state, and local taxes, employer liabilities, and withholding totals. If using direct deposit, schedule the run with bank lead time. Otherwise, choose print checks. Pay close attention to net pay and totals. Do a quick reconciliation against expected gross to net math before submitting. After you submit payroll, confirm bank withdrawal or check batch processed and download pay stubs for records. Make sure tax payments are queued. QuickBooks can auto-file and remit, or you can handle manual payments. Verify due dates for 941, state returns, and year-end W-2/1099 forms. If you find an error, void, or adjust the affected check following QuickBooks procedures, and correct the next payroll. Keep a clear audit trail. If issues persist, contact support with your payroll ID and dates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.